Today I'm cooking mustard green tofu soup. It's a delicious flavor combination of savory and sweet sour vegetable soup. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 330 grams of soft tofu or silken tofu. This is about 1 block. 150 grams of tomatoes cut to wedges. 90 grams of salted mustard greens cut to bite-sized pieces. 800 ml of stocks. I'm using chicken stock, but vegetable stock or water works well too. 90 grams of shiitake mushroom sliced. 1 stalk of whole cilantro cut to separate the roots and the leaves. 25 grams of spring onions cut with the stem and leaves separated. 50 grams of snow pea cut and clean. 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Half teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Half teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, and 10 grams of ginger, peeled and sliced thinly. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. Switch on the heat to medium. Add all the stock to a pan or stock pot. The washed cilantro roots, or the salt, ginger slices, sesame oil, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, pepper, and the shiitake mushroom. Stir with the ladle until all the seasoning have dissolved and are well combined. Set the time to 5 minutes to bring it to a rolling boil. Meanwhile, cut the tofu into bite-sized pieces. I am cutting mine to a small blocks of 18. After 5 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Add all the mustard greens, snow pea, and the spring onion stem. Lightly stir to submerge them. Cover the pot, let it boil for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously once again. Give it a taste. Delicious! It should be savory and slightly sourish. Spread the tomatoes around the pan and add the tofu pieces. Lightly submerge all the ingredients into the soup. Cover the pot and let it boil for another 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid. The tomato have softened slightly. It looks so good. Switch off the heat. Add all the Shaoxing wine, half of the spring onion leaves, half of the chopped cilantro leaves. Lightly stir to immerse the leaves. And our mustard green tofu soup is done. Dish it to a serving bowl and garnish with the rest of cilantro leaves and spring onions. Now our mustard green tofu soup is ready to be served. Let's eat! The soup is still hot, the mushroom is very tender, and the tofu is smooth. The gravy is a delicious blend of sourness from the mustard green and tomatoes, the natural sweetness from the chicken stock and vegetable. This is perfect with a meal or on its own. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!